I recently purchased a 2008 Saturn Outlook online at an IAAI live bidding auction with a winning bid of $600. Let's figure out if I made a good purchase. At first glance, most people would think I got an exceptional deal. With 143,000 miles, interior and exterior in great shape, this car in today's market could sell for over $4,500. However, let's consider my other expenses first. As you can see, there are quite a few fees involved. Not to mention I need to have it transported to my home in Texas for an additional $900. If I bought this closer to my home, I might have saved this charge. But to buy in Texas, you have to be a licensed business like a dealer or a broker. Adding this together brings the total to nearly $2,000 for this purchase. Still, a potential to make $2,500 isn't bad, right? Well, let's consider the information here. First of all, it isn't a running car. Like almost all cars at these auctions, there's usually some kind of damage. All of the information to the right is available during live auctions, but you sometimes only have seconds to see it before the bidding ends. It is important to be prepared ahead of time by researching the vehicles and sticking with your watch list. Here you can see the damage to this vehicle. Altogether, it doesn't seem too bad. Well, until you see the diamond-shaped puncture in the oil pan. That hole means that during this collision, the oil drained from the vehicle very rapidly. So now we are left to wonder if someone who ran over a large object had the common sense to shut off the vehicle ASAP, or did they continue driving it? Continuing to run with no oil would mean that this motor is toast. However, if they were smart and shut it down, this damage could be easily fixed. You might be wondering why I bid on this car at all. Well, I never planned on it. Here is how the screen looks during a live bid. The yellow bar that you see starts out green when it is full and goes to red when the sale is about to end. This will go from green to red in about 10 seconds if no one places a bid. I had just come back from the bathroom break when I saw that nobody was bidding. Looking mostly at the pictures flashing before me, I hit the bid button fully expecting to be outbid, but wasn't. However, just because this car may never run doesn't mean I will lose money on it. It just means it'll be harder for me to get the profit than I had hoped. There's a lot of money to be made in used auto parts these days. Most of the exterior body panels, glass, wheels, tires, and lighting will bring about $90 per item after expenses like shipping. Then there's the drivetrain parts like the transmission, interior parts like airbags that go for several $100s. All in all, I can still end up making money on this purchase. While statistically there is little chance that this engine wasn't damaged, my hope is it will be repairable. Part 2 of this video will take place in about a week. Once it is delivered, I'll be videoing the process for diagnosing and repairing it. I am also planning on making more videos on the tips and tricks I am learning to make better purchases with IAAI. If you would like to join me in this journey, then please like and subscribe. Thanks.